Robin Hood, Episode 1. Arrest him.
It's a summer morning in 1193. Robert, Earl of Huntington, Robin Hood, is in church with Marian. It is their wedding day.
Do you, Robert of Huntington, take this woman, Marian Fitzwalter, to be your wife?
I do.
Do you, Marian Fitzwalter, take this man, Robert of Huntington, to be your husband?
Stop the wedding!
It's the Sheriff of Nottingham.
You are an enemy of the king.
Me? King Richard's enemy? Never!
Richard is in prison, far away. Prince John is in power now. And he is my friend. From this moment, you have no castle, no land, and no title.
Marian, I have nothing now. Do you still want to marry me?
Yes, of course.
Arrest him!
No! Help! Stop this!
Robin Hood, Episode 2. Lord of the Greenwood.
The Sheriff of Nottingham arrests Robert of Huntington on his wedding day. He wants to put him in prison.
This is the new Earl of Huntington, my friend Sir Guy of Gisborne. Now take this outlaw to prison.
Never!
Stop him!
Get off the horse and give us your money.
Wait! This is Robert, Earl of Huntington.
Yes, and I know you, Will Scarlet. Who are these men? Why are they here?
We are outlaws. The sheriff is our enemy.
The forest is our home, because the sheriff's men can't find us here.
From today, I am an outlaw too. Guy of Gisborne has got my title and my castle.
You can join us.
Yes, be our leader against Gisborne and the sheriff. Here's a bow for you, and a green hood to wear.
Thank you. Sherwood Forest is my castle now. And my name is Robin. Robin Hood.
Robin Hood, Lord of the Greenwood.
Robin Hood, Episode 3. Little John.
Robin Hood lives in Sherwood Forest. He and his men get money from the rich and give it to the poor.
Let me go!
Not before you give us money to help the poor. This is a present from a kind traveller.
Thank you, Robin Hood.
Go back and let me get across, stranger.
Why? Because you've got a sword and I haven't.
Now it's a fair fight. Go back.
You go back. Or would you like to go swimming?
You fight very well, friend. Why don't you join me and my men?
I'd like to, but I can't. I want to find the man they call Robin Hood and help him against Gisborne and the Sheriff.
Welcome to Sherwood Forest. I am Robin Hood.
You are Robin Hood? Oh, but I'm sorry about...
Don't worry about it. What's your name?
John Little.
Well, John, new outlaws get new names. And because you are so small, your new name is Little John.
Robin Hood, Episode 4, Friar Tuck.
It's early in the morning. Robin, Will Scarlet, and Little John are practicing archery in the forest.
Good shot, Robin. You're the best archer in England.
Thank you. But see how far Little John can shoot an arrow. I can't do that. Nobody can.
I know one man who can, Friar Tuck. He's very strong. He lives quite near here too.
Well, let's go and meet this friar.
There he is. That's Friar Tuck.
Let's see how strong he is. Friar Tuck, you are a man of God, so come and help me. Carry me across the river.
Carry you across the river, friend? Well, as you say, I am a man of God, but I am not a fool.
Ah!
There are 3 things I hate. Prince John, his man the Sheriff of Nottingham, and people who try to make me look stupid.
Peace, peace, good friar. I am Robin Hood. These are my men. We want you to join us.
Join you? All right, to help the poor and to fight the sheriff, but not to carry you.
Robin Hood, Episode 5, The Silver Arrow.
While Robin and his men are in the forest, Gisborne and the Sheriff are making plans inside Nottingham Castle.
Gisborne, we must catch this outlaw Robin Hood. Immediately. The people are laughing at me.
We can't find him in Sherwood Forest, but we can bring him to the castle. I've got a plan.
Yes, an archery competition. Marian can give the prize to the winner.
Robin soon hears the news about the competition in Nottingham.
The prize is a silver arrow. Marian is going to give it to the winner.
I'd like to win the silver arrow and see Marian again.
No, Robin. It's a trap. Don't go.
Oh, don't worry. They can't catch me that easily.
At the archery competition.
This old man is the last person in the competition, sir.
So where is Robin Hood? Search everywhere, carefully.
Well done, old man.
Bullseye.
Good shot, Grandad. Grandad.
Here is your... Robert?
You fools! That's Robin Hood! Get him, quickly!
Thank you for the silver arrow, Sheriff. I'd love to stay, but I can't. My men are waiting for me in Sherwood Forest.
Robin Hood, Episode 6, Marian's Escape.
Robin is back in Sherwood Forest with his silver arrow. The sheriff is very angry.
Robin Hood was here and you couldn't catch him.
We were unlucky. Still, we can find him. Marian is in love with him. I've got an idea. I've got Robin's title, his lands, and his castle. Why not marry Marian too?
Yes. Guards! Bring Lord Fitzwalter here with Marian, his daughter. You want to marry the Earl of Huntington, don't you? Well, you can.
But he's an outlaw.
I am the Earl of Huntington now. You are going to marry me.
Never. I love the real Earl of Huntington, Robin Hood.
What can we do, Marian? We're prisoners here.
I'm going to join Robert in the forest. I know how I can escape.
The next day, the sheriff visits Lord Fitzwalter.
She was here half an hour ago. I don't know where she is.
You old fool! Tell me the truth. Where is she?
Good. Good. My plan is working.
Later, in the forest.
Great news, Robin. People are talking about Richard's return. They say the king is back in England.
And that's not all. Robin, this is our newest outlaw.
Oh, Robert, it's me.
Robin Hood, Episode 7, Richard's Return.
Marian is with Robin in Sherwood Forest. There is a bad surprise for them, though.
Thank you, Marian. I knew you could find Robin Hood, so we followed you.
Let her go!
What are you waiting for, Gisborne? Kill the outlaw!
Stop! Stop! In the name of Richard, King of England!
Your Majesty, you are safe! Thank God!
I arrived in England 10 days ago. I hurried north to Nottingham when I heard the stories about the Sheriff and Gisborne. Bring them here.
But, Your Majesty, this outlaw Robin Hood...
Silence! What is this? When the thief is in power, he calls the honest man an outlaw? I know you are an honest man. You are no outlaw. and your name is not Robin Hood. Return to your castle, Robert, Earl of Huntington.
Your Majesty, the Sheriff arrested Robert in the middle of our wedding.
Then let us finish what you started, with all my best wishes. Do you, Marian Fitzwalter, take this man, Robert of Huntington, to be your husband?
I do.
Congratulations, Robert and Marian.
Long live King Richard!